Let me tell you how to remove mastic silicone. There's a few products and tools available on the market specially made for removing old sealants such as silicone. Some of these are useful, but the professionals prefer the good old-fashioned sharp blade and a little bit of elbow grease. Usually the sealant has adhered to two sides and needs to be debonded from both surfaces to be fully removed. This is done by carefully pushing a sharp blade close to the bonded surface. Now this could be your wall tiles, your bath, your shower tray, or even a kitchen worktop. By pulling along the bead with your sharp blade to effectively cut the cured product along the line. This is then repeated from the other angle, again as flat as possible to the surface, pulling along the bead with your blade. Once both sides have been cut, the whole bead should come out like a rubbery snake, or at least some decent long lengths. The residue can be scraped and wiped or even brushed off both sides of the surface, so it's nice and clean, ready to receive the newly applied silicone bead. Hopefully that's answered your question, but if you want to see any how-to demonstrations, check out the YouTube channel. Or if you just want to know about the vast range of products that 3C stock, check out their website.